Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already have Solidworks open with your model. Now start by opening the View menu or using the Heads-Up View toolbar. Click Display Style to confirm you are not in Shaded with Edges mode, then open Scene, Lights, and Cameras. Once done, make sure the right pane shows Scene Settings because Shadow controls live there. You need to be in an active model window so the scene options apply. Next, we will find the Shadow toggle and light settings to turn shadows off. In the Scene, Lights, and Cameras dialog, locate the Lights tab and inspect each light source. Uncheck Cast Shadows for spot, directional, or point lights. Then switch to Scene Settings and disable Shadows or Global Illumination if present, because that produces environment shadows. Once done, press Apply to preview changes. Make sure the viewport updates. If shadows persist, check Display Style for Photo View 360 rendering, which has separate shadow controls. We will address that next to finalize the settings. Apply and save your scene and light changes, then exit the dialog and confirm the viewport shows no shadows. If you use Photo View 360, open its render options and disable cast shadows or environment lighting shadows there, because rendering overrides viewport colors. If shadows still appear, reset the scene to default or restart Solidworks to clear cached lighting. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.